What's the meaning of composition? Composition. Composition.
Composition. Composition. Composition refers to the act of combining multiple elements or parts to create a new whole. In art, composition can refer to how the various visual elements, such as lines, shapes, colors and textures, are arranged in a work of art. In music, composition refers to the creation of a piece of music by combining different musical elements like melody, harmony, and rhythm. In literature, composition is the process of creating written works, including novels, poetry, essays, and other forms of literary works. Overall, composition involves combining diverse elements to create something new and unified.